Hi, it's Josh here at Jordanbikes in Leeds, and this morning we've got this 2015 Yamaha MT09. It is fitted with a Black Widow full system. The customer said it was running really bad before, so it's been in for a full ECU remap, and we're going to do the final run and then we'll talk through everything that we've achieved. Right, so this morning when we started mapping, we had a base run of 114 horsepower at the rear wheel, which is the red line, as you can see. It only revs to 10,000 revs, runs really rich, really lean, had no sort of upper medium. So now with a full ECU remap, we've got 121, so just over 121, so gain of 7 horsepower. It's also, we took the throttle restriction off there, as you can see, so it revs out now. I think it's about 1200 more revs. So yeah, it should be a lot better. The fueling is now sorted, as you can see, which is the blue line. So yeah, we've just done a full fueling map, full ignition map, maps his electronic throttle, turned off his lambda sensor. That's now disconnected, and yeah, it's given us a result like that. So if you want yours in, please give us a call.